The first thing we are learning in our HTML lesson is how to get our tools ready. Some of you might have heard of a word called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. IDE means everything you need to create, test, and adjust your codes. The IDE used by front-end programmers is really quite simple. You only need a browser and a code editor. The browser we will use in this course will be Chrome. As for code editors, if you have already bought Dreamweaver, you can use it. But if you haven't, there is no need for you to buy it. Free code editors are just as good. The code editor we use in this course is Notepad++. It's lightweight and it's free. Front-end programs do not need a running environment. This means you can save your front-end programs anywhere you like. For your back-end programs, you do not have such freedom.